Hello students, hi everyone, welcome to Power Education. I am Brijesh Misra and today's we are discussing here the introduction part of pair of linear equations in two variables. So first of all, what is a linear equation? The linear equation is an algebraic expression whose degree is 1. If we take the example 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Now see here the variable is x and the power of the variable is 1. So it is called linear equation in one variable. And now what is a linear equation in two variables? So when there are two variables whose degree is 1, that is called linear equation in two variables. If we take the example, then we can write 3x plus 5y minus 2 equal to 0. And now see, the first variable is x and the second variable is y and whose degree is 1. So it is linear equation in two variables. Now the general form of a linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and one condition is here a and b is not equal to 0. स्टूडेंट्स, क्योंकि a और b अगर हमारा यहाँ 0 होता है तो x और y पूरा टर्म्स हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. सो हियर द कंडीशन a and b is not equal to 0. तो दिस इज द जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स. And now the general form of pair of linear equations in two variables a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and the second equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is the general form of pair of linear equations in two variables. If we take the example 3x plus 5y minus 2 equal to 0, this is the first equation, and 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0, this is the second equation. So it is called pair of linear equations in two variables. Now method to solve pair of linear equations in two variables. So there are two methods, first graphical method and second algebraic method. So first of all we will discuss graphical method. First, graphical method. In graphical method there are three conditions. The first, if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then graph of the both line will be intersect at only one point. That is called intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. When the both line cut at only one point, the solution of the equations is only one. That is called unique solution. So now the second point, only one solution is also called unique solution, and such type of equations is consistent. यानी इस तरह की इक्वेशन जो हमारे होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, कॉन्सिस्टेंट होती है. यानी जिस इक्वेशन के हमें सॉल्यूशन मिलते हैं उस इक्वेशन को हम क्या बोलते हैं, कॉन्सिस्टेंट. The second condition, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then graph of the both line will be coincident. यानी स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ दोनों लाइन की ग्राफ जो होगी एक दूसरे के ऊपर क्या होगा, ओवरलैप होगा. यानी फर्स्ट लाइन अगर ड्रॉ करें तो अगर कुछ इस तरह से है तो सेकंड लाइन भी ठीक इसी के ऊपर हमारा क्या होगा, ओवरलैप होगा. तो नाउ हियर वी गेट द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, coincident lines. And now the second point, here we get, now the both line here meet each and every point. So now we can say here the solutions of equation infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions, and here we get solutions. So now such type of equation is consistent. Now in the third condition, if a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, then graph of the both line will be parallel. The both line will be parallel. So now here we get the first point. These lines are called parallel lines. And now here the both line do not intersect at points, at any points. The both line do not intersect at any points, so it is not any solution of the equations. So here no solution. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर दोनों लाइन एक दूसरे को कट नहीं कर रहे हैं, इसलिए यहाँ पर हमारा कोई भी सोल्यूशन नहीं होगा. सो नो सोल्यूशन. एंड सच टाइप ऑफ इक्वेशन when we do not get any solution, that is called inconsistent. Students, these were your graphical method, and I told you the three conditions of the graphical method. And now the second method is algebraic method. In algebraic method there are three methods: first substitution, second elimination method, and third cross multiplication method. So here I will take one example, and I told you by these methods. So now here the example x plus y equal to 16. Give the equation number first, and the second equation x minus y equal to 4. This is the second equation. So now these equations we will simplify by substitution method. So now see how will we simplify these equations by substitution method. So in substitution method we have to substitute of the variables. So now here we will take any one equation and find the value of any one variable. As like here we will take the first equation. Now here we will write from equation first the x plus y equal to 16, and now here we will find out the value of y. So y equal to 16 minus x. X will move to RHS. We get y equal to 16 minus x, and now put the value of y in equation second. Now putting the value of y in equation second. So now in equation second, at the place of y we will put 16 minus x. So x minus, at the place of y we will put 16 minus x equal to 4, and now open the bracket. The x minus 16 plus x, from this negative sign the sign will be changed, equal to 4. X plus x, 2x, and minus 16 will move to RHS. Then we can write 4 plus 16. So now 2x equal to 20, x equal to 20 upon 2. We get x equal to 10. And now putting the value of x in any equation, first or second, यानी किसी भी इक्वेशन में हम x की वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हैं. तो now here we will putting the value of x in equation first. So now in equation first, at the place of x we will put 10. So now we can write 10 plus y equal to 16. So now y equal to 16 minus 10, y equal to 6. तो now here we get x equal to 10 and y equal to 6. So now this is your answer. The students, this is your substitution method. So now this is your substitution method. And now see the elimination method. Now see the elimination method. So now the same example here. I have taken x plus y equal to 16, x minus y equal to 4. Give the equation number first and second. Student, don't forget the numbering of the equation. So now equation first and second. Students, in this method we have to eliminate one variable. Eliminate means it will be cancel out. यानी स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे हमें दोनों वेरिएबल में से एक वेरिएबल को हमें कैंसिल करना होता है. तो नाउ सी हियर, if we will add the both equation, now see if here adding the both equation, so now see here plus y minus y both are the equal y and one positive and one negative. If adding the both equation, this will be cancel out. And now simplify this, x plus x 2x and 16 plus 4 20. And now x equal to 20 upon 2, x equal to 10. And now here we get x equal to 10. And now putting the value of x in any one equation. So now putting the value of x in equation first. In equation first, at the place of x we will put 10. So now we can write 10 plus y equal to 16. And now y equal to 16 minus 10, y equal to 6. So now the same answer we get by elimination method. So now this is your answer. So this is your elimination method. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर हम चाहते तो y के अलावा x को भी कैंसिल कर सकते थे. अगर यहाँ दोनों इक्वेशन को ऐड करने के जगह पर अगर हम यहाँ पर इक्वेशन को सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो साइन हमारा क्या होगा, चेंज होगा. तो उस केस में हमारा x कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा और उस केस में y की वैल्यू निकलेगी और फिर y की वैल्यू हम किसी भी इक्वेशन में पुट करके x की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. नाउ सी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड. एंड नाउ द सेम इक्वेशन आई हैव टेकन आल्सो हियर. In this method, if the constant term is given that in RHS, so firstly we will move in LHS. And now we can write here x plus y minus 16 equal to 0 and here x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. And now give the equation number first and give the number equation number second. And now comparing these equations from pair of linear equation of two variables. So now the coefficient of x is a1, the coefficient of y is b1 and the constant term is c1. And now similarly the coefficient of x is a2 and the coefficient of y is b2 and the constant term is c2. So now here we will write a1 equal to 1, b1 equal to 1 and c1 equal to minus 16. And now similarly from the equation second, so now the coefficient of x a2, the a2 equal to 1, b2 equal to minus 1 and c2 equal to minus 4. And now we will write like this. This is x, this is y, and this is the 1. And now here we will write b1 b2. The b1 b2 is 1 minus 1. Now here we will write 1 minus 1 and then after c1 c2 minus 16 minus 4 and then after a1 a2 1 1 and then after b1 b2 1 minus 1. And now here we will write x upon, and now here we will cross multiply. So first of all we will cross multiply like this. 1 into minus 4, minus 4, and then after negative sign, and then after we will multiply like this. So minus 1 into minus 16 plus 16, this equal to, and now y equal to. So now here we will cross multiply firstly like this. In this direction firstly we will multiply to minus 16 into 1 minus 16, and then after mark here negative sign, and then after we will multiply by this minus 4 into 1 to minus 4 equal to, and now similarly 1 upon. So now the same way firstly we will cross multiply by this. So 1 into minus 1 minus 1, then we will mark the negative sign, and then after we will cross multiply like this. So 1 into 1 1. So now we will write here 1, and now simplify this. So x upon minus 4 minus 16 minus 20 equal to y upon, and now here open the bracket, to minus minus plus, to minus 16 plus 4 equal to 1 upon minus 1 minus 2, and now x upon minus 20 equal to y upon minus 16 plus 4 minus 12 equal to 1 upon minus 2. And now here we will take the value of x, here we will take x upon minus 20 equal to 1 upon minus 2. यानी स्टूडेंट्स एक बार हमें x की वैल्यू 1 upon minus 2 के बराबर लेना है, यहाँ से x की वैल्यू निकलेगी, and then after we will take this equal to this, then we will find the value of y. तो x upon minus 20 equal to 1 upon minus 2, तो minus minus cancel out, and now by cross multiply 2x equal to 20, तो x equal to 20 by 2, this will be cancel out, so here we get x equal to 10, and now this equal to this, we will take this equal to this, so y upon minus 12 equal to 1 upon minus 2, तो minus minus cancel out, now by cross multiply, तो we get 2y equal to 12, तो y equal to 12 by 2 equal to 6, so now y equal to 6, so now here we will, now here we get x equal to 10 and y equal to 6, so now this is your cross multiplication method. So this is your answer. Students, I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, then please write in comment box, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.